The stuff this guy came out so far. Oh man. So we are close to ready for our first walkthrough of this event. So we're gonna clear out the whole house so people can walk around and see what we're gonna be doing. So this house here, let me show you. So we're gonna be putting a second story on this house. We take you guys inside so you can see where we're at so far, clearing it out for our first walkthrough scheduled next week, November 2nd, Saturday at 12 p.m. We're getting all of this cleared out. All this in here. Goodness. Look at all of that. Good. Look at this bathroom. Oh, hideous. Oh my God. I'm gonna show you the whole thing. So make sure you tap in with me next Saturday. RSVP, the link below. Come out to our first live in-person walkthrough of this second story edition that we're gonna be starting on soon.